A classification and nomenclature of organic compound. This is one is the organic topic. We have to be know about it, how to be simplify that one. Classification means classification. First we have to focus on that classification. There are four types. Four types. Which one it is that? First, aliphatic. Alicyclic. Third one it is aromatic. And fourth, heterocyclic. Aliphatic compound, aromatic, alicyclic. Aliphatic compound, alicyclic, aromatic, heterocyclic. We have to be classified into first. Focus on that aliphatic. What does that mean? Aliphatic means open chain carbon atom. Like methane, ethane, propane, etc. Let's focus on alicyclic. Alicyclic means, what does it mean, alicyclic? The carbon atom joined covalently form the ring. Covalently form a ring. Carbon atom joined to covalent bond form a ring. Example, this is a cyclopropene, cyclobutane. These are the examples how to be simplify that cyclo-covalently bonding formation. Next one is that one or more benzene ring will be formed. At least one or two more benzene ring form. This one is a benzene ring attached to the CH3 group. That one is called toluene. This is a normal benzene ring. That is called naphthalene. This one is a naphthalene. Heterocyclic. What is that? Heterocyclic and simple meaning. I am not explain the definition through. Carbon atom replaced by heteroatom. Which carbon atom? We have one carbon atom replaced by heteroatom. Heteroatom means what? Nitrogen, sulfur, and that oxygen. We have to look at that. This is called pyrrole. This one is a pyridine. One heteroatom attached, replaced by the carbon. Next one is at thiophene. Next one is a pyridine. paraffin, pyridine. Next one another example, furan. Okay, this one is that pyridine, thiophene, pyrrole. This is a furan. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, organic compound. This one is an organic compound has classified into various types of the properties are there. For that basis, we have to be reactive part. They are divided. Organic compound can be divided into two parts. Reactive part, which is called as that reactive part, which is a reactive part. Organic compound is that two various families are there organic compound, and at very basis of their property, various families basis of their property, and that we have to mainly consider that reactive part of organic compound, reactive part of organic compound. At we shortly writing that OC form, we have to be classified into two types. One is that functional group, another one is a skeleton. Skeleton of the carbon and hydrogen atom. Okay, carbon and hydrogen atom. That is carbon and hydrogen atom. It is called as that aryl group or alkyl groups. Aryl or alkyl group. Okay, what is it? Is a functional group. Okay, the skeleton of electron, carbon, hydrogen atom, it is called as that aryl group or alkyl group. And a functional group, the organic compound which can be determined by that determined organic compound which can be determined by the determine the properties of an organic compound. Determine the which can be the organic compound which can determine the properties of an organic compound. That is called as a functional group. Like too many functional groups are the carbon to carbon single bond. This is called